Hey, today I'm gonna do an unboxing video of the Lightning dock from Apple to the iPhone 7. And I got it right here in this bag I got from Apple. Let's see. I got it right here. And I got the black one because I have the jet black iPhone. If you want to see me unbox the jet black iPhone, you can watch the video. I will link it in the end of this video. So let's go right into it and open this up. I'm gonna take a knife. Okay, I didn't need the knife. As always, violence is the best way to open things. Okay, so it's packed like this. Let's see, maybe better in this one. And in the box we have some iPhone Lightning dock papers. Okay, this is how you use it. So it's a manual of some sort, and this is the warranty. So I'm gonna put this aside and I'm gonna take a look at this one. Let's remove the plastic so you can see how it looks. It's very nice. It's quite heavy actually. You have the rubber bottom here, so it won't like glide away. Very nice. And I got this because of this small problem here. You can't charge the phone at the same time while you're listening to music on the iPhone 7 because they remove the headphone jack. So I got this mainly so I can listen to music from my receiver and charge the phone at the same time. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you.